Hey, what's up, guys? Norfolk Southern coming now. Look at him. Looks like it's another one engine. I am still good to cross because railroad crossings have not went down yet. I'm gonna go over here where I have more visual. Oh goodness. Alright guys, hell yeah. Norfolk Southern, looks like it's a 2 engine. You not tell, it looks like it's a 2 engine. Oh no, that's a 3 engine, that's a triple. It's either a triple or it's 4. Oh, he tried to make it. It's either 3 or 4. That's how many engines is that? Whoa! That's like 4 or 5, maybe 6. Six engines! 6 engines! Yes! Look at that! That is 6 engines. You don't see very many 6 engine trains here. Dang! Hey! Hells yeah! Must be a long one. If there's 6 engines. I've never seen that in real life. Well, I've never seen that in person. Oh wait, that was a short one. I saw 6 engine, I was like, yo, that's insane. 6 engine train, it must be a long one. Not really. Phone is on 15%, but I don't give a shit. Pretty good. I don't know who that is, but it's somebody. Alright, that was a 6 engine train. Norfolk Southern. I can't wait to show that to... I cannot wait to show that to Edward. 6 engine Norfolk Southern. I've never seen that. Especially, I've never seen a train with that many engines in the front. That's pretty freaking good. I'm genuinely sweating. It's like 40 some degrees out and I'm sweating. That was a damn good train. I mean, it wasn't the longest, but it was a 6-engine train, dude. I'm not complaining. One bit. But my phone's on 14%. I'm gonna have to go home. Maybe I'll come across another train. Who knows? Maybe I'll come across another NS. Who knows? Maybe a CSX if I get lucky. Another heritage unit would be amazing. But I don't think I'm gonna get another heritage unit. I don't think I'm gonna get 2 heritage units in one day. There's 6077 moving down over to the yard, either setting the cars down on the bridge or something. But other than that was a pretty good train. There's a lot of engines. Never seen that before. I mean, I saw a 7-engine, well, a 2-engine, 5 DPU train before. Edward is missing out today, guys. Like, I'm so happy I came out here. But I'm just kind of sad that Edward is missing out on all these good trains. Well, all the trains have been short today. Except for the one with the first one that I saw this morning with the heritage unit. Heritage unit DPUs. The heritage unit was coming out of North Carolina, heading into Pennsylvania today. He's been traveling for a while today. I saw him around 8 o'clock. It is 2:11 Eastern Time. I saw him around 8 a.m. Eastern Time. So he will be making his way to Pennsylvania, which is pretty good. All signals are red, so there shouldn't be a train coming through for a little bit. Oh, I think 6077 has stopped. Oh yeah, he's hopping in. He's getting back into the engine of 6077, which is an SD40-2 engine. I'm sure you guys have seen him multiple fucking times. Let me hop off the... Let me get onto this track. Probably be best. Oh, he's not hopping into the engine. He's going on to the cars, which is weird. The railroad crossing. Oh, he's moving over to here. He's been working a lot today. Here is 6077 SD40-2 engine. Pretty cool. I've never seen 6077 in action. Never seen him in action before. SD40-2 engine. 60, 77. Wow. Absolutely beautiful. Oh wow, he just picked up speed quick. Whoa. He is gone. 60, 77 is gone. Like, he picked up speed quick. He hit that accelerator. Like, oh my, wow. Bro. I mean, he didn't honk for me, but the engineer on the car honked. Oh, he might be switching. He might be switching onto this track, so I probably better move. Because he's probably going to be coming back and loading all those cars back over by the train station. That's probably exactly what he's doing. He's just gone. Like, dang. Phone is on 10%. We've been switching to both plants the whole time I've been down here. The whole time I've been gone from home, working on all these plants. The driver of the 6 engine waved. It was either a he or a she, I can't remember. I think it was a he. But he honked once and waved, which is pretty good. I don't think my mom's home yet. We actually moved in with my cousin. Yeah, we moved in with my cousin. Edward. Slept great last night. Like, I'm up and I'm energized today. Like, I'm really freaking energized today. Yeah, I've never seen 6077 in action. First time for everything, eh? First time for everything. I cannot tell if he's switched tracks or if he's just going or if he's just booking it. Like, I have no clue. Like, he's nowhere in sight right now. But I am going to stay on this track just in case he is just going down there to switch and then bringing all those cars you know, over to their spot. Or he's going to the recycling plant and getting all the steel to bring to Nucor or something. I have no clue. because there were a bunch of excavators in the recycling plant. Oh. Oh man. My phone is on 8%. I'm gonna go ahead and end it. If he comes back through, I will record. Oh no, he's coming back through. But I'm just gonna let my phone charge for now. And then I'm just gonna record him come through again. If he is coming back. I don't know for sure. But I'm just gonna stop the recording. And I'll catch you guys soon. Alright, love you guys. Peace out.